Hello guys, my name is Shaima. In this video, I'll explain new buttons in version 5 for custom cabinets. Okay, so you guys can go to customize, use any cabinets from this function. Alright, so let's say I'm using storage. Okay, just drag any cabinet from here. Okay, drag out, and then you can right click, go to the new button, which is angled cabinet down here. Okay, so you can chamfer your corner of the cabinet. Okay, you can change the position, top, left, top, right, bottom, left or right. Okay, and then down here you can adjust the sizing. You can see width and the height. Okay, so let's say the width 200, the height also 200. Okay, and then down here is the cutting of the board. Okay, you can change the position. Okay, so let's say this one is outside cutting. Click OK. Okay, so this is outside. You change to inside cutting. Okay, so this one is inside cutting. Okay, let's zoom a bit. Okay, this one is inside cutting. Okay, this one is outside. Alright, you can see the difference. Okay, so this is peripheral board. You can adjust the cutting. Okay, so you go to filler. Down here you can click filler if you want to add additional panel. Okay, so this one is cover sideboard. Okay, so this is a filler, it covers the sideboard. Second one is sideboard without cover. Okay, this one is without cover. Alright, so you can see the difference. Alright, so this is new button, which is angle cut. Okay, you can use any cabinets from this function. So let's say I'm now using wardrobe. Okay, this is wardrobe function. Drag out any cabinet. Okay, and then you can right click, go to angle cut. Okay, so the editing is the same. Okay, so you guys can try out. Alright, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.